I'm going to do the little thing I'm going to call tool of the day every now and then when I get working on something. So around my property, I got about 6.5 acres, and I end up having to do all sorts of things. I'm the auto mechanic, I'm the electrician, I'm the plumber, I'm the carpenter. I enjoy doing woodworking and all kinds of things. So today I'm out here splitting firewood. And my tool of the day today is my hydraulic log splitter for my tractor. Just crank the old tractor up and see how it works.